Hello guys, and welcome back to another Bukkit plugin programming tutorial. And today we will be sorting out this error. Last tutorial we made a plugin that you go into Minecraft and you type in /hello and it prints out in gold hello back. Okay, so what we're gonna do is if they decide to type that in the console, right? So if I type hello, it comes up with this big error. Now, if an admin gets this plugin and he sees this when he types in your command, he's not going to want your plugin. So how do we sort this out? Alright, okay. First, you got to know why. So, hang on a sec. Anyway, sorry about that. I should really have that, but anyway, so as you can see, it gives us an error whenever we type hello. Now that is because a player is being sent equal to the sender, and normally the sender is a player, and so this would be fine. But if the command sends if the console, or whatever you want to call it, sends the thing, you can't set it equal to a player. So that's what's giving us the whole errors and stuff. So what we first want to do is we want to make a new player. So as you can see, I've already got it. Just go ahead and type public static player. Now that just makes a player that you can use anywhere, pretty much. So now what we want to do is we want to go if s instance of player. So if the sender is in the class player, so essentially if the player is the sender, pretty much. So if the player is the sender, or in our case, what we want it to be is if the player is not the sender. So to do that, we just put an exclamation mark and put brackets around it, just like that. Okay, so if the sender is not a player, i.e. it's the console, then what we want to do is we want to type if L dot equals ignore case. So if in the console they type hello, then we want to go ahead and go logger.info. Now that types in that writes in the console this message here. So go ahead and say this is a player only command. Just like that. Okay, so once you've done that, that should be fine. So now right click on it, click refresh, file, export, jar file. Actually I did something wrong there, sorry. Okay, so if L dot equals ignore case hello. So if the sender is not a player, right? But else, meaning the sender is a player, we want to go player equals we just want to go player equals player s. So what that's going to do is basically if this happens, but what we want to do is just go ahead and go return true here, and don't return anything here. And so what that'll do is it'll go down, do this, and then it'll see return true and just stop there. But then if it is a player, it'll skip this and it'll go on to this, and then it will carry on with the player just like that. Okay, so save that. Right click, click refresh, file, export a jar file, finish. I gotta overwrite it because I already have it. And then we want to go reload. So there, it's worked. So now, if we go hello, it will say this is a player only command. Whatever you type, even if you type hello and then a load of gobbledygook, it will always say this is a player only command. So that's just how you sort that out. Soon I'll be showing you how to actually put the commands in here. That was just a short video, just like an update. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.